Hi children, welcome to Maths online class. Who got more? Deepa and Pushpa are sisters. They both went to a fair with their father. Deepa purchased 1 kilogram laddu, which is her favorite sweet. But Pushpa purchased 1 kilogram of butter biscuits. The packet of biscuits was much bigger than the packet of laddus. Deepa observed this and started to argue with her father that he had bought more for her sister. Is Deepa's argument correct? No, Deepa's argument is not correct because few objects weigh more even if they are small. Laddu weighs more than butter biscuits, but laddu occupies less space than biscuit. That is why biscuit packet looks bigger than that of laddu's packet. Why Deepa is thinking like that? Deepa thinks like that because butter biscuit, since it is weightless, it occupies a big cover. Observe the object marked in the figure. The object marked is weighing balance. For what purpose it is used? The device used for weighing purpose. Now, let us measure the weights of the objects using a weighing balance. You can see measurements starting from 0 followed by 200 gram, 400 grams, 600 grams, 800 gram, 1 kg and so on. Now, let us measure the weights of rice. I have hanged the cover of rice in the hook provided in the weighing balance. Due to weights of the rice pulls the balance and we can see the weight of the rice. It is 1 kg 200 gram. Similarly, the weight of corn is 1 kg 600 gram. Now, let us see how much a packet of biscuits measures. Yes, it is 400 gram. Children, did you now learn how to measure the weights of the objects? Let us move on the exercise 10.4. They have given a set of objects. Let us put right mark for the objects whose weight is more. Pen. Let us put into mark as it is light. Wooden chair. Let us put right mark as it is heavy. Volleyball. Put into mark because ball is only filled with air. Coconut. Put right mark because it is heavy. Newspaper. Let us put into mark as it is light in weight. Geometrical instrument. Let us put into mark as it is light in weight. Wooden table. Let us put right mark as it is heavy. Tennis ball. Let us put into mark as it is light in weight. Pumpkin. Let us put right mark as it heavy. Let us now estimate the weight of pair of objects present around us and classify them as weight less than 1 kg and weight more than 1 kg. Weight less than 1 kg, piece of chalk, duster, pen case, pencil. Weight more than 1 kg, pumpkin, bench, desk, door, chair. Let us arrange the weight of following vegetables in descending order of their weight. Descending order means arranging objects of weight heavy to light. Pumpkin is heavier than all, followed by coconut, carrot and chili. The order is pumpkin, coconut, carrot, chili. Now, fourth myth. You might have seen these different types of balances. Learn who use them. The first picture is spring balance. It is used by people who buy old newspapers. The second picture is weighing balance. It is used in provision stores. The third picture is weighing balance. It is used by vegetable vendor in market. The fourth picture is digital balance. It is used by sweet vendors. Bath scales. It is used to measure weight of a person. Fifth main. We have been given 5 objects. We have arranged them in ascending order of their weights. Ascending order means arranging from light to heavy weight. Cycle, bike, auto, car, bus. Thank you, children.